Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up subscription billing. To begin setting up your subscription billing strategy with Recharge Payments, visit the Recharge Payments website. Log into your Recharge account using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Select the billing option from the Settings menu. Now, click on Subscription Plans to start creating your first subscription. Here, you'll want to click on the Add Subscription Plan button. Fill in the required details for your subscription plan, including the plan name and description. Next, set the frequency at which customers will be charged, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Adjust the pricing options by specifying the base price and any discounts or promotions. Once you have configured the details, click Save to create your subscription plan. Now, navigate to the Products section from the left-hand menu. Select the product you want to offer as a subscription. Within the product details, scroll down to find the Subscription Details section. Enable subscriptions for this product by toggling on the Subscription option. Associate the product with the subscription plan you previously created. After making these adjustments, click Save to confirm the changes to your product. Next, go to the Checkout settings in the left-hand menu. Customize your checkout experience to support recurring payments. Make sure to enable the subscription options to allow customers to sign up easily. You can personalize the checkout page with your branding for a more cohesive experience. After finishing the checkout customization, click Save to retain your settings. Now, test the entire subscription purchasing process by creating a test order. Make sure to verify that the subscription billing is correctly applied during the checkout. Finally, review your dashboard to monitor subscription metrics and customer engagement. Your subscription billing strategy with Recharge Payments is now successfully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.